Hello guys. So I'm here for my Aadya. I'm live on Insta for my saree shopping. But Aadya and her friend, which page chapna? Yes, I'll tell your real name on Insta. So I need help. I've been checking some sarees. Kani kunchum confusion unna wale. I thought let me come live and take help from you guys for my saree shopping. You kunchum help chupistara cheeralu. So I'll give the phone to Aadya. How did you stub your toe?
Right there.
Ayyo.
Running.
And they're running in the saree shop.
Give the phone to Miss.
Yeah, so Aadya, you show.
So special.
I'll put the saree on, and you have to read the comments also, and you have to tell
Okay.
me which comments are good.
Okay.
So this is like a live saree shopping we thought of doing today in Varamahalakshmi.
It's mommy's idea.
This is the Jubilee Hill store, na Kalyan Garu? Yeah, so the Jubilee Hill store.
Yashika Akka.
Pata, hello Pata. Pata, do you want a saree? Buy a saree for.
Yashika Akka.
Buy a saree for mummy.
It's not Yashika Akka. It's Yashika Hakka.
Okay, you guys go away so I can remove my. If you guys, Aadya, go away so I can remove my mask.
Aadya Churian.
Yeah. Idigondi Aadya Churian. There is no one here, so I'm going to start with my favorite color, orange.
Don't feel a party back.
I can only see you. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what to do now.
Guys, you need. See, this is the orange saree.
Orange saree?
Oh. Adi, turn the camera around.
Oops. Hey, why you put laughing emojis? I'm not a joke.
Adi, also dakho. How's this one? How's this one? Yeah, I really like this.
Menace.
Such a pretty one, na? You and your orange. Me and my orange. It
Let's
has to be orange. Cannot not be orange.
show Akiran.
So please comment also. Just read the comments which they are telling the saree color. So this is one option,
Hi,
orange
Aadya.
and violet.
Mommy, one person's like parrot green and pink.
Okay, we try a parrot green and pink too.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a parrot green and pink? Parrot green and pink. Aadya, please read my comment.
Okay, I'll read your comment. Live? It's live?
Green, red, orange.
Hi, uncle, don't show me, uncle.
Oh, this is such a pretty one. I seriously love this.
Mommy, Mommy, this is parrot green and light pink.
Parrot green and light pink.
Yeah.
Specific, huh?
Yeah, that's specific. It's in the beginning only. See, I notice people. Ow!
Then there's orange. Orange is very beautiful. Orange is very beautiful. Orange so anytime beautiful. Yes.
One thing I'm suggesting.
Give a second. Aadya, try. Show it in the mirror. See? Nice, huh? I'm going to open your shoes now. Come and look at the saree.
Mommy, red saree is the best.
Red is the best. Okay.
Hi, Aadya.
Orange is good. Parrot green is good.
Green.
Green. See this?
Mommy, they are suggesting green. Green is good. Orange is off.
Aadya, you're not the right person to come live with. Aadya is confusing me.
They say orange and green is good.
Yeah. Green and orange.
Till now they like.
What happened? Yeah, it's alive. No, like that. So, can I have little kunchum atu veltara?
Green one
I'm
is
wearing
too
my
good.
mask na. Andukane.
Green one is good, Mommy.
Try something with brown and gold.
Brown and gold, madam. There's yellow also. Mommy.
Yeah, adi konju pakkan.
Black. Red is good.
Show from your Adi.
Green.
Adi, here. Adi, focus here.
Okay.
You want to try
So.
right? Yeah, this white is seriously.
Ooh, that's so beautiful.
White pythony. I love pythonies.
Look at this.
Painting. I'm in love with this saree. It's really.
Look at this. Mommy, put it more. Peach color, Mommy. Royal blue. Can I note this down?
All this. This is love. Yeah. This takes 3 months to weave. So look at the work.
This
on
one takes 3 months.
3 months to weave పడుతుంది. ఇంత బాగుంది. Such a pretty
The
saree.
parrots, there are parrots.
Wow. Kalyan garu, you seriously have an amazing collection. చూస్తున్నారా ఎంత బాగున్నాయి మీ చీరలు ఏం కొనాలి అట్లా అయిపోతుంది. I love saree.
Yeah, this is mummy. People like this one.
Nice, no? And I'm not saying it because I'm on Instagram live. I truly like it. The last time కూడా అయితే reactions చూస్తాను నాది.
Try that focus on the saree, no? Focus on the money saree, okay?
Oh wait, now it's gone. Red and white. Yeah.
One red and white.
రమ్య గారు కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే కూడా బాగుంటుంది ఆ సారీ.
మీరు చెప్పండి సారీల గురించి. Like how you said పెట్టనీకి ఇది 3 నెలలు పడుతుంది.
Mom.
We need to understand how the importance of weavers also.
Super.
ఇది కాంచీపురం.
Yeah, no.
Show the clothes. So pretty.
Look at this. It's so beautiful.
They have elephants and then they have peacocks.
Rani pink with green combination.
Rani green with pink.
Rani
Oh,
pink.
Rani pink.
Rani green. I didn't know there was a Rani.
White, mummy, the white saree.
Very pretty.
Some people don't like this.
Bridal అండి.
Can you show bridal?
And Varamahalakshmi Silks కూడా చాలా వైబ్రెంట్ గా కవే.
అది వడకం చేయాలి కొత్త ఇంట్లో కూడా ఉన్నాం కదా bright saree. But I fell in love with the
పిల్లలకి
white.
కూడా చాలా గ్లో లైక్ చాలా బ్రైట్ కలర్ కదా మీకు చాలా
This one is so beautiful.
yellow with green.
I'm like a child
Oh,
when
sorry.
it comes to saree. I can wear a saree every day of my life.
It's
Yes.
also very unique combination. Rare. నార్మల్ యూజువల్ గా మనకి బ్లూ కి పింక్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు.
The orange and light ఈ కాంబినేషన్ కొంచెం రేరే ఉంది.
ఇది కూడా కాంచీపురం అండి.
No, I can't focus on this. There are so many sarees.
కాంచీపురం అన్ని మనవి ఇదేనండి. మొత్తం అంతా మన ఓన్ వర్కర్స్.
Mummy, you look beautiful. You look beautiful, mummy.
Thank you, Adi. You are only my fan.
దట్స్ వై మనం అంత రీజనబుల్ ప్రైజెస్ లో ఇవ్వగలుగుతున్నాం కాంచీపురం.
The prices are very reasonable.
Mummy, they want blue and they want green saree. They said rare combination.
Oh, this is so pretty. I can see myself in the mirror. This is a rare combination.
Blue and orange is good, man.
Outstanding.
Blue and orange is too good.
But this is also very rare.
మనం ఆ పింక్ పక్కన పెడదామండి లాస్ట్ లో.
Mummy, people like
Kalyan
a lot.
garu, let's do a shoot again. Such pretty sarees.
సెలెక్ట్ ది షూట్ సారీస్ ఆల్సో.
అండి పళ్ళు కూడా రిచ్ పళ్ళుస్ వస్తాయి కాంచీపురం.
So many.
Adya, see this. Adya, show this weave.
I'm gonna
Adya,
get
show
it.
this
Saree
weave.
looks like clouds. There's lions and then there's peacocks.
Yeah.
See, there's a peacock and then there's a lion.
We as Indians, we have such a rich heritage of, weaving. The
Mummy,
handloom.
Mama.
Machines valle mottam heritage inta
Pink
dooram
saree.
vellipotunnaru.
Pink saree. Pink saree. This is cloud
I'm
color.
trying my best as much as to wear handloom like this. I'm not wearing. I'm trying not to wear, machine. Yeah. What else? Shall we try a yellow because Varamahalakshmi?
Yellow.
శేషు గారు ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉన్నాయండి.
Baby, what?
Oh, yellow. You have gotten your request. Yellow.
మనం మంచి పేస్టల్స్.
The pastels are also here. Their pastels have come out. There are so many colors in here. I am going to handle it.
He's a stranger. I don't know what.
What?
ఈ పరిచయం చేయాలి.
Kai?
అంటే ఆమె పెద్ద స్టార్ నేను అట్లా మన చిన్న వ్యక్తులు అట్లా ఫోన్ చేయరు. షీల్ నెవర్ కాల్ నెవర్ చెక్ ఆన్ మీ అక్క ఎలా ఉన్నావు
Mummy, कौन है?
అంతే లైవ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లైవ్ లో చెప్తున్నాను.
So they all will know now who we
Hello.
are talking about. This who is this stranger?
మీ గొంతు గుర్తు పెట్టేస్తారు. ఇదిగోండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్ స్టార్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్ స్టార్ హూస్ రన్నింగ్ అవే నౌ.
Mummy, you have a very big fan. They're saying you look good in everything.
థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్.
No,
No,
not.
but I love this saree.
It's very nice.
ఇదంతా కూడా మంచి
Ashrid something. I don't
Yeah,
know.
see, okay, Adya go close on this. This is like a neon saree.
బట్ నాట్ దట్ బ్రైట్ వైబ్రెంట్ కలర్.
Yeah.
చాలా పేస్టల్
So
టచ్
pretty.
ఇచ్చారు.
And then there's gold and then there's
బ్లూ
green.
మల్టీ కలర్ చెక్స్ అండి.
Yes. This is unique, na? This is something unique. ఈ కలర్ గారు this is something unique. ఈ కలర్ like a regular ది లేదు. Because even the colors we చూస్తే neon colors తీసుకొని ఒక ట్రెడిషనల్ సారీ చేశారు.
You look beautiful in every saree.
Yes, you do.
No, I didn't.
Thank you for saying that. I become like a child whenever I see sarees.
Amma, let me hold on.
No, I love this one.
This is very beautiful. Show the blue saree fully. It's very pretty.
Which blue saree? Blue saree వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
Yellow color is nice for ma'am.
Yeah, we have to try yellow also. Yeah. So we tried orange, we tried blue,
Oh, sorry.
Rani pink, white, and yellow. And this is like a
Multicolor.
multi-color.
Very beautiful.
Traditional Kanchi.
Oh, sorry. One stuck on your leg. Mummy's cerulean blue. What is cerulean blue, mummy?
Cerulean blue means like a sky blue, light blue.
Oh, yeah, light blue look nice on you. Please take blue and orange, mummy. Take the blue and orange.
But what about this yellow?
Yellow and green. Somebody wish for yellow and green. Your dreams have come true.
Puja kosam.
Mummy, what is the showroom name?
Varamahalakshmi.
Also, pirate chodu, pirate. You know, you should show them the showroom also. Go little आगे. So pretty the showroom.
Where? There?
This thing.
Oh,
The chandeliers and all that.
Don't pause the this thing. What are you doing, Adi?
nothing.
The chandelier.
I'm sure. Go everywhere. Don't drop the phone. I won't drop the phone. Okay, have showed them.
You have?
Yes. Mom is the brand ambassador for this.
Some of the sarees are going to get stolen. Some of them will be stolen today. Back door kunchu.
Mummy, blue and orange best suits you. Somebody said it.
Baby, but show this. This is so.
Ooh, mummy, you have to get this. Otherwise, I'm not going to speak to you. You are definitely going to get it.
you. Pink suits you want.
Yeah, I know. I'll show in the mirror. I know. Huh? I can't.
How do you see this?
Mom is. Oof.
Usually when I come saree shopping, I wear a
Mummy,
white
it's
t-shirt.
super shopping.
Amma.
But there are so many
ఇది
people.
borderless అండి కాంచీపురంలోనే
Border this.
Oh, sorry. Keep on stepping on somebody or the other.
సారీ అంతా మనకి ఇలా లీవ్స్ వస్తాయి
Red.
Guys, you need to like conclude something.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see the comments.
Is it green, red, blue?
Guys, give me colors.
Colors.
Saranya saying wo.
Put
Not
a
wo is Appu Abhi is saying green.
not
Yuva
good
creations
pink.
saying not good. Yuva creations and tell us which color is good. Don't say
Yeah.
which is not good. ఏది మంచిది లేదు కాకుండా ఏది మంచిది అది చెప్పండి.
This one, mummy. This one.
This is awesome.
This is awesome. Whoa, this is
It's like a
awesome.
baby pink.
Saranya Tigala. Whoa, heart. This is awesome.
It's there. It's got paused.
Cerulean. Mummy, a lot of people want the blue. The
Blue and orange. Lot of blue and orange.
Purples.
Okay, we'll try
This is not purple. This is candy pink. People.
It's a very dark color.
Mama is. Okay, this is purple now. You have gotten your purples.
See the border of the saree.
Look at this border.
So pretty, na?
ఇట్స్ కంచి కొంచెం చూడగా
And then there's a peacock here.
ఆ బోర్డర్స్
వెంటనే ఈ borders are
borders వల్ల.
Both the falcon.
authentic
బోర్డర్స్
I'm showing them the peacocks. Red. Blue and orange. Mummy, a lot of people want the blue and orange.
Blue and orange. I think blue and orange is the selection.
Okay, there's a lot. Red, orange, pink, blue.
I'll buy a red saree the day Aadya gets married. Look at the appreciation.
Hey, Aadya, congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay, Rashika's marriage.
సరే కొనుక్కుంటా ఆద్య పెళ్లి కంటే
Mummy, white and blue. Huh?
about this color. To get this color right is so difficult.
ఇది అన్ని కలర్
Mama, show me the design. Show me the design.
We'll give the phone from time to
Oh, me.
because you're like going.
Why there's so many sarees?
అది మాధవ్ బర్లే రెండు పక్క పక్క పెట్టేసి ఇలా రెండు ఒక యాంగిల్ లేదు.
It's okay. You guys can chill for a minute.
No, but I want to read the comments. No pink.
I don't want to remove it.
Mummy, yellow.
Remove this.
Mummy, yellow with blue suits.
Oh, you take a picture?
Mummy, yellow.
You want me to put the blouse thing here or it's okay?
Yeah.
Color kunchum. Akira, baby. Adi, baby. Akira.
I didn't get the phone. You know, I can hold the phone perfectly still.
Okay. కొంచెం మళ్ళీ. Why can't we just wear these Kanchi sarees every day and
Because
so much of handloom will be supporting, so many weavers will be supporting. We should stop buying all these imported Zara and H&M and Marks and Spencer. We should have taken this on live.
Yes.
No, but Indian weavers are important. We have to support
Support
Indian
local.
weavers. Support local, support Indian weavers. Look at this quality.
and handloom is our
Handloom is our pride, as you Chapanarja. Handloom is our pride.
Can I
don't
hold
wanna leave-
now?
No, I don't want to leave this.
Can I hold now?
Guys, I think I'll select this one.
Okay, I'm gonna hold now.
2 minutes I'll just
Mummy, let me see.
take one for
అంటే ఇది
Sure.
These are the sarees to select.
Guys, these girls are confusing me. Aadya, Jessica.
Please. Mummy, I'm
Are they similar?
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. I don't have any. You have to Adya, you don't have to worry. If I get it, you are going to get it. That's for sure.
Somebody, come.
I am coming to you now.
Come.
I know, like, me saree collection. I think I have seen. Like in and out.
Yeah.
So
No,
what
there
is your favorite? What is your favorite?
You'll select.
I don't select. You select just then I will take and wear it. You know that.
Ade. You have
Blue and
Cool.
orange Paitani.
yeah, that
Yes.
blue and red.
Red. Yeah, orange is red. So I think you select better.
This is so difficult. 6 months they take one for one saree to be. Adi, you have to go.
Yeah. Menace.
So what is the final conclusion?
Auntie, the purple one. Olive green. Olive green, mummy.
Huh?
Olive green.
You like that?
No, the comment said.
Okay.
He loved it.
Not nice. Some people don't like this.
Yellow try. Yellow try. Oh, this is such a pretty combination. Shanti Chudu. Crazy. Such a crazy, amazing combination this is.
Grey.
I've never seen this combination.
Mummy, cerulean blue. Where is the cerulean blue?
The kind of jacket you're wearing.
The kind of jacket I'm wearing. This color.
Like the one.
Oh. Yellow green. Mummy, turquoise. Turquoise. Yes, now I'm gonna go down.
Heavenly. Kalanga, let's do a shoot in this for sure.
Mummy, can I show the design?
This is like you feel this angelic pieces laga.
Mummy, can I show the design?
Zelda के ऊपर आद्या के ऊपर के ऊपर చిన్న కట్టేసి బొట్టు పెట్టి జెల్డా ని
I swear to God, that's the only thing left.
Okay, this is squares and some
Diamonds, actually.
Oh,
Diamonds with polka
oh,
dots.
and
Silver lining.
చాలా బాగుంది.
so happy my face is glowing. Like truly get happy.
Mummy, hold it. Mummy,
పళ్ళు
Okay, tell them this is where we are.
this is where Mummy is.
కాంచీపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్స్.
I think I now need to go off the live sit. peacefully and choose.
It's too good, mummy.
Thank you.
Lemon yellow gives you a good look. Mummy, last color. Can you do turquoise, please?
You have a turquoise? Yeah. Is this
No, that one.
this one?
Yeah,
This is for Aadya.
that one.
Yeah, turquoise sea green thing.
This is specially for Aadya.
You have to hold. Wait, didn't you?
Oh, and the combination.
Auntie, why don't you get that for Aadya instead? No, thank you. No. No.
I really need you to. I need to see you in a sari.
You'll see me in my school dance.
Aadya, they have baby sarees.
Baby sarees?
For your height.
Ah, baby sarees. Look at me. Look at me.
Like, you don't need an adult saree. No?
Baby saree.
From which angle? She's 5'4".
I am 5'4".
Yes.
No.
What?
Akka.
Okay, wait. I need paste.
And this is the blouse.
Mummy, show me.
Okay, see the saree.
Can I show you something?
And I like this silver and
No,
Similar to that onion.
well, I don't care if people say no. It's my favorite color. I don't know. Ocean blue. This is ocean blue. I think so. Some people are saying no to this. But if they say no to this, I don't care because this is my favorite.
Aadya, Madhu is complaining that you are not reading the comments.
What?
Madhu Anna is putting comments and you're reading
Tell him to put again. Tell him to put again.
చాలా వస్తున్నాయి ఇంకా.
Tell him to put again.
Shanti Akka. He's saying Shanti.
He commented about 100 times anta. More than 100 times.
Tell him to put again.
అయ్యో.
Listen to Aadya. I am right. And my spelling is Aadya, not Aadhiya. Aadya. Hi.
for Kamadi Akkar's wedding dinner.
Okay.
2 years.
2 months.
No, 2 years.
Guys, for me to wear sarees, Kamadi is going to get married. She'll be like, I'll give you sarees. This is like paper light.
Yeah.
Really?
So beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's not.
She really got scared, Bhaskar. Look at the view of it.
Hello, my spelling is Aadya.
Adi, ask her that.
Did you call Shanti auntie? Not to get corona. Nubs.
Yeah.
I just need your ear.
Why?
Just give the phone, na?
I don't know.
No.
Nothing.
Oh, this cannot be.
What secrets are happening here?
No, I have to ask you, so I asked. Sir. Okay, I'll ask you one.
Yes. Finally, somebody spelled my name right. Finally.
Okay, now give me the phone.
I'm sorry, I had to say that.
Yeah.
Because people keep on spelling my name like A.
Hello guys, so I'm going off live now. So many of them I have to select now. I'll sit quietly and I need to, Okay, Aadya, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. And Kamadi, say bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay now.
See my face and yeah. So I'm going off now. Thank you for joining me. I will read the comments and I will select something that you guys have, asked more for. I think the most votes, the yellow, which one got?
the
Orange and blue got the most requests. So.
And with something
Okay. Bye bye guys, and I'll come live again in some time again.
My spelling is Aadya.
Bye bye.
My spelling is Aadya.
Okay. Bye.